Hey guys, it's Angela, and for today's video I've got Michaela joining me. She is in her recovery process from her surgery and she's doing amazing, and you guys showed so much support that I wanted her to join me for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Obviously it is very late in the month to be uploading Boxycharm, but I had not opened it because when it arrived we were at the hospital and I just didn't film all week. I spent a lot of time with her. We're a little obsessed with Fortnite right now, especially watching One Shot Girl on YouTube. She streams it every single evening, so we've been doing a lot of that and watching a lot of that. So we're gonna go ahead. We actually still have it on TV right now. She's doing a tournament with Nick A30 from does he have a YouTube channel or
yeah.
YouTube? Yeah, from YouTube, and we are opening this while listening to that. So if you guys want to see what we got this month, like if you don't know already, just keep on watching. Okay, so Michaela's going to be my assistant today. I'm not going to try on the products this month, only because the video is already so late. I just kind of want to look through them, review them, kind of see what we got this month and go from there. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 plus size or full size products, or deluxe size or full size products for you to try out. And if you like the products, then you obviously can order them online. Let's go ahead and see what we got in this month's box. Let's see. It has a card that's a trifold again this month. That's really cool. It's Caribbean Queen themed. Ooh. And it's got all the products listed. I'm going to hand that to her because she's going to find the products I pull out and she's going to let us know how much they cost.
Okay.
So the first product I have here is a Luxy brush trio, and these are face brushes. We have a tapered brush, a precision brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. So let's go ahead and take a look at these real quick.
Oh, and by the way, there's 6 products.
Nice. Thank you for the heads up.
Wait, I missed this, one of the products.
Okay.
Wait, what?
So here we have the duo fiber powder brush. Mm-hmm. That one doesn't feel, I mean, it feels soft, but it's not as soft as synthetic, but it looks really cool.
Ooh. Actually, I like the feeling of that.
And then this one is the tapered highlighter brush. I love this one. I've been wanting
to on your face.
Feel this one in comparison.
Yeah, I like that one better.
Yeah, see, I told you. Synthetic hair tends to be a little softer than natural hair, so at least in my experience. Okay, and then we have the Luxy 660 Precision Foundation Brush. How is this a foundation brush? I'm gonna have to try that because I'm not used to foundation brushes looking like that at all. It's really cool. I like the angle in it though. It
has a flat edge?
Yeah, it's like flattened. It's really, really cool looking.
Okay, do you want to
very unique. Yes. How much is the trio?
Okay. So the trio of these brushes retails for $42.
$42. Okay. These boxes normally average out over $100, so let's see how much this month's box is going to turn out to be. Now, next we have this Baddington lashes. Yeah. Ooh, this is very fancy packaging. Oh, these are beautiful. I might have to try these out tonight. Definitely gonna need to trim them. Here is what those lashes look like.
Hey, they look like my eyelashes.
Yeah, they look like your natural lashes. Her natural lashes are sick, guys. Like, she'll never need to wear falsies ever in life.
No, I half the time
These
not even
are
mascara.
Beautiful. They do have somewhat of a thicker band, but I'm okay with it. It's not super, super thick. So I cannot wait to try these.
Okay, and they retail for $28.
For how much?
$28.
$28, and these are silk lashes. So,
yep.
All right. The next product in our box this month is this Jante Blue dark brown eyeliner pencil.
Waterproof, by the way.
And here is what that looks like. Michaela says it's waterproof.
Yep, it says waterproof eyeliner pencil.
All right, and how much is this?
This retails for $5.
$5. Of course it does. Okay, it does feel really creamy and it is nicely pigmented. Ooh. I have received other Jante Blue pencils, and I wasn't the biggest fan, quite honestly. They just weren't fabulous. Don't really use it, but we'll give that one a shot. Maybe the eyeliner pencil is better than the lip liner pencil. All right, the next product. Oh, that's awesome. Top Boxy talks about this so much that I can't help but laugh.
Brazilian bum bum cream.
Yes, this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. That's hilarious. Infused with all-powerful guarana extract from Sol de Janeiro. And how much is this retail for?
Real quick, I was reading it.
What does it say?
Brazilian bum bum cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum.
Yep. Oh, that smells so
This
good.
retails for $10.
That smells really
the
good.
bum bum.
Clearly this is a sample size because I've seen the jar this comes in. It's huge. I'm sure they have different sizes, but it's a great size. It's wonderful
Brazilian bum bum.
moisturizing cream. All right, next product. We have another Ofra lipstick. I haven't gotten an Ofra lipstick in a long time. Oh,
yes.
This is the shade that I hear is extremely popular. This is known as Verona. And it is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick.
Hey, excuse me.
Let me show you a swatch of this while Michaela looks up the price.
Yes, I found it.
And there is the swatch of the Verona.
I mean, they're in the same spot on all of them, so.
That's a really like chocolatey brown tone. Do you
Oh
see
yeah,
that?
that's actually very pretty.
See, it is beautiful. These colors tend not to look great on me, so I don't know, guys. They don't always look awesome on me.
Oh, this retails for $21.
$21. Very cool, thank you. And the last product in our box this month
Yes.
is the Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. This is coming from Cuba.
Yep.
And this palette looks like this. I am absolutely loving the colors in there. Very
I'm just reading
tropical.
the descriptions as you're over here.
Go ahead and read the description while I do some swatches.
Okay. This palette features 8 highly opaque shades. What?
Highly opaque.
Highly opaque.
Okay.
What?
Reminiscent.
Okay. Reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of creamy mattes. For a feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush the sun symbol. For application with dry brush.
Okay.
I don't know if I read that correctly, but that made no sense.
That's okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and swatch these. There are 8 shades in here in total. So let's see. The first one on the top is La Costa, or La Costa. Let me read things with a Spanish accent, as I should since I speak Spanish.
Yes.
That is gorgeous. That is La Costa. Hold on, get over here.
Hey, I'm looking at
Underneath
it.
that
Pretty.
we have Varadero. Oh, that one's really like textured.
Ooh.
Very metallic. That's a gorgeous
Ooh, yeah,
color
you
as
feel the
well.
texture.
Super beautiful color, but very, very
You
textured.
know it's opaque when it comes with the little black dot on my hand.
We have Coco Taxi. That one looks to be more of a transitional shade. It's not as opaque, but I think it would work really well as a transition shade. Then we have Guantanamera, like the song Guantanamera. That's really cool. There's that shade right there. We have El Malecón. That's gorgeous. That's a beautiful gold, very reflective. We have Celia, after Celia Cruz, I'm sure, because she was a historic, iconic musician from Cuba. Absolutely gorgeous.
Is this one you just tried?
Yeah, that's El Malecón. Yeah. Then we have Trópico. That's a beautiful brick color, very burnt sienna. Oh my gosh, I love that. Trópico.
Try this one. Sorry.
And the last one is a brown shade called Cafecito, which is cafe.
By the way, I'm just covering.
Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, look at these. Look at these. These are amazing.
It's so soft and creamy.
Oh,
Oh
I
my
cannot
god.
wait to play with this palette. I'm taking Michaela out to karaoke tonight. I do karaoke in this little restaurant. Yeah, sure, why not? I'll play with your makeup a little bit. We're going to this little restaurant that's like a Philly cheesesteak place, and they do karaoke there, and they have this little stage. It's really, really cool. I'm all switched up, all 10 fingers and both hands, but that's okay. All right, and how much did you say this retailed for?
This retailed for, I guess, $28.
$28. Wow. So for our box total, we have, let's take a look and see how much this box is worth. $28 for the eyeshadow palette, $28 for the lashes, $10 for the Bum Bum Cream sample, $42 for the brushes, $5 for the Jean de Blue pencil, and $21 for the Ofra lipstick. This month's box total is $134.
Wow.
For $21 plus shipping. Woohoo! Alright.
Wow.
That is a great deal. I cannot wait to play with this palette, guys. I am so excited about all these colors. I haven't worn makeup in like 2 weeks, maybe. With the exception of one day because I had an interview, but for the most part, 2 weeks. I'm really, really excited about this box. I'm excited to try these products out. Be sure to go check out my Instagram. I'm going to do my makeup for tonight. I'm going to use most of these products, if not all of them, except of course the Bum Bum Cream, because you can't really see that. I'll use it, but you just won't be able to see it. And I'll post a picture on Instagram on what look I came up with. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, be sure to do that, and also click the little bell icon so you can be notified when I upload videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am Angela.babe on Instagram and YouTube.babe on Twitter and Snapchat. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being so patient with me and for waiting around for me to come back after this lovely angel's surgery. She is doing amazing.
9 more weeks and then finally.
Yes. Usually we have to wait 12 weeks for the reversal of the ileostomy bag.
AKA Joey.
Luckily, yeah, my son had to wait 12 weeks. But luckily, because she is doing so well, she's healing so well, the doctor is very comfortable doing it at 9 weeks. So, very excited. Beginning of the school year is going to come, and then we're going to be off for a few days because she'll have her surgery, so that'll be great. Our summer vacation will be just a little bit longer. We'll go back to work for like, I'll go back to work for like a week and a half. She'll go to school for like 3 days, and then we'll both be off for like four days or something like that. So it'll be awesome. Alright guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Say bye, Mika.